Fabric becomes fashion the moment it carries culture. That's why the pre-fall 2019 Métier d'Art show by Chanel felt iconic at its peak. Seriously, can we talk about this? Ancient Egypt meets Chanel tweed, 80s graphics, glam rock energy, and NYC edge. Lagerfeld literally made history wearable. Bold, check. Dramatic, check. Unforgettable, double check. Everything before Karl's death was iconic. Now it has all vanished into marketing campaigns, not culture as couture. Starting off with the column-like dresses. These are straight up inspired by the Kala series, the long, sleek sheath worn by ancient Egyptian queens. Back then, it was all about vertical lines, clean shapes, minimal fuss, basically a moving piece of architecture. Lagerfeld takes that and turns it into Chanel tweed, elongated, sculpted, structured, and yes, totally fierce. Then the jackets, shortened in the front, they reference the shendit, the wrapped kilt of pharaohs. Those ancient skirts were both functional and symbolic, showing rank and movement. Lagerfeld reinterprets that in tweed with metallic threads. The front cut effect creates a subtle asymmetry, giving a nod to ancient design, but the tweed, weight, and tailoring grounded in modernity. Look at the proportions. Ancient Egyptian clothing often emphasized elongation and the illusion of height. Lagerfeld exaggerates that slightly, making legs longer, torsos cleaner, lines more vertical. It's commanding without being costume-like. That verticality meets glam rock energy, shoulder definition, angular cuts, and structural drama reminiscent of Bowie-era silhouettes, bold, theatrical, but wearable. Lagerfeld nailed 80s downtown New York. Punk clubs, graffiti walls, neon lights, bold chaos everywhere. And you can literally see it in the denim jackets. And in some of the details, you can literally see a New York Tower effect. So beautiful. And now my favorite part, the details. The more you look, the more you actually start to freak out. The bags alone? Insane. Structured, geometric, some almost pyramid-like, some catching the light with metallic finishes like tiny skyscrapers in your hand. Then the gold-painted legs on the models, that subtle shimmer, referencing ancient Egyptian body adornment, like living statues walking through the temple. The jewelry is next level. Bold collars sitting high and powerful, chunky cuffs, layered chains, scarab motifs woven into pieces like little symbols of protection and rebirth. Even the tweed is threaded with gold, the embroidery packed with tiny, precise elements you don't even notice at first. Every look has something hidden. Every accessory feels intentional. The closer you get, the more dramatic it becomes. This wasn't a fashion show. It was an iconic art show, a cultural statement, a moment where couture, history, and attitude collided in one. If you believe this was peak Chanel, make sure to share your ideas in the comment section. I uncover what makes fashion as a cultural movement iconic. If you love this video, make sure to subscribe and see you in the next one.